Yeah, I have started. Thank you. So here, this is the check and mate. It was easy. Any difficulty, please pick up. So initially, all problems will be easier one. Now, black to move. Play the move which stops the check. Think carefully now. You have to write, and I will ask to someone. You should be ready with the answer. Yeah, I want answer from Ira.
Here bishop can come middle.
Perfect. Perfect. Very much. Here, Ira mute karo वापिस. Here again, this is the line of attack, right? This is the line of attack, and this line is also under control by white bishop. So king cannot move at all. Now, the first thing what we see, capturing the attacker. Here, capturing the attacker is possible, but queen is capturing and it has got a support. So that means after capture, queen will capture back. Again, check continues. So there is no use. You are losing, black is losing queen. But there is a second alternative, blocking is available. Yes. Very good, Ira. Now, black to move and checkmate. ब्लैक के पास तो सिर्फ पॉन ही है, फिर भी चेकमेट. वाओ, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल सिचुएशन. Who will answer? Samia.
Sir, the pawn will come to G2.
Yeah, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Easy. They're the easy problems. Come on. Now, white to move and play the move which stops the check. Sia.
Sir, king needs to move to F2.
Absolutely good. Here, putting somebody in the middle is no wrong idea. Because if you put it, it's unnecessary, get captured. You cannot capture this also. So the best way is run away. Very good. Excellent, excellent. We are moving ahead. We will move little faster. Black to move. Checkmate. Riddhi.
Sir, sir, what was the question?
Question is black to move and check. Give checkmate to white king.
Sir, I know the answer.
Yes, Ranveer. I will come back to you. Don't worry. If she is getting you, you will get. Yes, question goes to Ranveer.
Sir, the knight will come to G2.
Knight will come to G2. Knight will not give check when knight comes. Is this a check now? No. So this is not the answer.
So can I say?
Yes, Himanshi.
So the queen will move to G2.
Absolutely perfect. Right. Here I will come to our demo board and I will show you what are other options.
Sir, I can't hear clearly.
Wait. Now, are you able to hear? Hello? 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 You rejoin if at all there is any problem because everybody is able to hear. Am I audible to everybody? Clear? Show the thumb.
Yes.
No.
Those who
Yes, sir, I can hear.
those who are saying no, they will please.
Hello?
Yes, yeah. It is able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if at all is any problem is there, please
Hello?
log off and rejoin. This is one of the toughest problem. But ये problem के लिए आपको आने के लिए time है.
Hello?
Yes. This is the problem. Okay. Now, here one chance is this one. Queen comes to F3.
Sir, I can't hear.
Sia, everybody. First of all, everybody, please mute your microphone. Mute your microphone. Now, Sia, is it audible now? Sia? Sia? Rest of you can hear very properly, na? Only she is having problem. Sia,
Hello?
yeah, Sia, you please log out and rejoin.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello.
I think.
Hello?
आपका ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग रहेगा ना?
Yes.
Send her in chat.
Yeah, right.
Kind of. So we also have access. Then I think we can still work out where that cutoff time might not matter, and still we can do the transaction in today's date. So host transfer का फिर does not
Hello?
have the banking this thing. एक बार check करेंगे क्या? Because we have even transferred at 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock and all those things. वो बैंक में reflect हो जाता है. Okay.
Yeah. Now here, first check is here, and then king will not be able to move here and here and here and here. King has to go back, and you can pounce on that king at our usual square. So this is the also idea. You first bring king to the corner, to a border by giving checks, force him to go to the border, and then you pounce on him. That is also the idea. So this is such a type of problems. Are two more problems also. You understood this? Yes. For example, this is not there, and this is here, and this is the problem. So in this case, if you give the check from here, this will go over here. So here you have to first compel that king to go down. Now king cannot go here, cannot go here, only can go over here, and then you come over here and give the checkmate. That is the idea. So idea is just pushing him towards the border.
But see, so that may be there, but so
Somebody's microphone is on.
I mean, we are also still lacking here. बहुत सारी चीज pending है. वो trustee को documents देके आ गया, but
निहार तेरा माइक्रोफोन चालू था बेटा. So everybody got this idea, pushing the king downward or to the side. Black to move, play the move which stops the check. Durga. Durga.
Sir, the king can run on d5.
King can run on d5. No, this pawn is there. Pawn is controlling this d5. So that place is not available to king. Try again.
Sir, the knight will come to e6.
Perfect. But still, as this black is having only possible move is this, basically here. This is the only possible, because black
Yes, sir.
king cannot come over here also because of this. They're not here also, okay, and not here also. Because check continues, not down because of this bishop. No other place. That is why put somebody in the middle, but putting queen in the middle is a very bad option, because directly this will kill. So that is why the smaller piece first is putting. But here also the game is almost gone. Here you can see black is having um, queen and rook and this, three pieces, but queen is there, and white is not having queen. Still white's position is much better. Here after this move, black is now losing this thing. See how this will come over here. Next move, attacking knight. So one attack is there, and there will be second attack. And supporters are king and queen. Though there are two supporters, one of the supporter is king, which is as good as not useful. And queen supporting means while supporting, if it gets captured, what is the use of losing the queen is very horrific thing. So your black is losing one knight as well after this, and again chances of mating are there. So this is a very bad position for black. So all the time I always say that how many points on the board is also very important, not the pieces, points. Here the points are good points. White is having good points and the position.
Able to enjoy freedom.
While
Beings are great.
Yes, Divya,
Sir
here,
is
yeah,
So
saying
now
about this text, I don't
being given to her right. These are very reasons